Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're in the Philippines, you know this scene all too well. The rain just doesn't seem to stop, does it? We're all experts at navigating downpours, but there's one thing we always worry about: our phones. We tuck them away, wrap them in plastic, and pray they survive the commute. But what if I told you there is a phone that doesn't need to hide from the storm? This is the Vivo Y21D, and it might just be the ultimate rainy day companion for every Filipino. Starting at just 6,999 pesos, this phone is built to face the weather head-on. This year alone, we've already been through 16 tropical cyclones. Typhoon Paula just recently brought heavy rains and flooding to Luzon. Our weather tests everything, from our infrastructure to our patience, and especially our gadgets. So, for those of us who brave the commute, capture photos in the rain, or just live life without letting the weather stop us, Vivo has designed this phone with us in mind. Let's talk about what makes this phone so special. First up, its water resistance. The Vivo Y21D boasts an IP68, IP69, and even an IP69 Plus rating. Now you might have heard of IP68, but IP69 Plus is on another level. It means this phone passed 3 rounds of extreme water resistance tests. It can handle high-pressure water jets and even being submerged without breaking a sweat. Look at this! I'm spraying it with water and the screen is still perfectly responsive. This is thanks to its wet hand touch feature. You can swipe, type, and scroll with wet fingers, which is a total game changer when you're caught in a downpour trying to book a ride or reply to a message. The Y21D has a one-tap water ejection function. You just press a button and a gentle vibration clears the water out instantly. How cool is that? No shaking, no waiting, just clear audio right away. But durability isn't just about water. What happens when the pavement is slippery and, oops, accidents happen? That's where the Y21D's toughness really shines. This phone has a military-grade durability certification, MIL-STD810H, and an SG's Gold 5-star rating for drop resistance. What does that mean in the real world? In Vivo's own lab tests, they dropped this device 42,000 times from small heights, and it kept on working. The secret is in its construction. It has a dual ion-strengthened Guardian glass screen, a reinforced internal core, and a special cushioning structure. All this tech talk translates to over 100% more resistance against punctures from sharp objects and over 100% more drop resistance on rough surfaces like concrete or asphalt. Every single part of this phone, from the charging port to the buttons, is meticulously sealed and waterproofed. It's designed to handle real-life bumps, scrapes, and yes, even our notorious rainy season. It gives you this incredible peace of mind knowing your phone is built like a tank. Now, a tough phone is useless if the battery can't keep up, especially during long commutes or power outages. The Vivo Y21D packs a massive 6,500 mAh battery. This isn't just a big battery, it's a long-lasting one. In Vivo's tests, it maintained over 80% of its capacity after 1,600 full charge cycles. That's roughly 5 years of typical use. You can rely on this phone to stay powered up when you need it most. And when it's time to charge, the 44 West Flash Charge gets you back in action quickly and safely. It comes with a 29-dimension security protection system, which is a fancy way of saying it's protected against power surges, overheating, and other charging risks. You have a phone with the highest level of water resistance, a screen that works when wet, a speaker that clears itself, military-grade drop protection, and a battery that lasts for years. The Vivo Y21D is truly the perfect smartphone for Filipinos who refuse to let a little or a lot of rain get in their way. It's durable, intelligent, and incredibly affordable. You can get the Vivo Y21D for as low as 6,999 pesos in all Vivo concept stores, kiosks, and authorized dealers. It's also available online on the Vivo eStore and Shopee. And here's a special tip for you guys. If you buy it on Shopee from October 9th to the 16th, you can get it for as low as 5,669 pesos. That is an incredible deal for a phone this tough. I'll drop the links down in the description for you. Honestly, for the price, the level of durability and thoughtful features you get with the Vivo Y21D is unmatched. It's a phone built for our reality, for our weather, and for our resilient spirit. That's all for today's review. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions about the Vivo Y21D, leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews made for you. Stay safe and stay dry out there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.